Good morning. Today we're going to talk about the cremation of Sam McGee, which is one of your best texts. And remember that best texts could show up on the FAST test, so we want to make sure that we look at those and we look at them carefully. So today the benchmark is to analyze structure, sound, imagery, and figurative language in poetry. Today's lesson, we're only going to focus on the structure and the imagery. So the first learning target is I can determine structure, and I put right so that you know what you're going to do. Paying attention to the line length, white space, and stanza breaks. So that's what we're going to focus on first. The second one is I can identify, meaning highlight, imagery, and explain or write how it affects the poem. You may have questions about this first. How will you know if you know these things? What's the success criteria? Like, how would you know? How would you know if you understood the structure? Owen?
If you're able to teach the structure of the text.
Fantastic. That's a really good idea. We'll have that happen too. And how would you know if you understood imagery? What could you do? Daniel?
If you can visualize it.
If you could visualize it? If
you can like read a text and be able to pick imagery out.
Yes, be able to pick it out, maybe compare it to someone around you and see if you have the same thing. Alex?
You should be able to interpret it.
To interpret it. Very good. So the question is, which moment or event in the poem are you able to picture most clearly? Kirsten?
I said the quote, "But God, he looked ghastly pale," because it made me very easily visualize that he was like really pale, like white skin in the cold.
Okay, good. And how about you, Owen?
I picked and he wore a smile. You could see a mile because I can picture a smile that can be seen from a long distance.
Good. How has the use of the strategy of looking at imagery helped you to appreciate this poem?
It paints a picture in your head of what's really going on in the story, and it like shows you scenes of what's going on. Like when they buried him, it kind of went into detail using the imagery.